Hey guys, Asher from hashtag. After announcing Oppo Reno 2 successful, Oppo now said to release the Oppo Reno 3. Earlier, Oppo VP Brain Shen shared an image of the Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G, which also reveals a curved Hertz display with a minimalistic bezel on the top. Also, there is no sign of notes or even punch hole in that image. But already I told you we can't predict because image cropped on the left side, meaning it could have a corner punch hole camera like Samsung Galaxy S10. According to Let's Go Digital reports, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro will use a punch hole screen design. The hole will be located in the upper left corner. At the same time, the diameter of the screen opening is too small. Apart from this, the screen is also curved. This would mean that Oppo Reno 3 Pro and Oppo Reno 3 will have a punch hole design. According to the previously leaked renderings, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro will use a 3D glass design on the front, so regardless of its frame and thickness, the phone will provide better visual effects. In addition, the power button on the right side of the phone also continues the previous Reno series style. According to Shane, it will feature a glass body with a thickness of 7 mm. Also, many things it will cause the effect in battery capacity, but he calmed everyone down saying the battery capacity has reached 4025 mAh. Also, these phones are available with the 5G network in China and don't know about the global version because most of the Chinese makers nowadays using 5G for Chinese variant, even Huawei V30 series, Redmi K30 series and also Huawei Nova series. Anyway, we want to wait some days for getting new updates. After we will get more information about the smartphone. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I am Ashkar from hashtag.